First, drag the create modular from the basis process panel into the model window. Then add the process modular. Arena will automatically connect them. Next, press a design modular to the right of the process modular. Drag a deposit modular to the right of the design modular. Arena will link it to the primary X. Then add a second deposit modular and use connect to link it to the design modular. Double-click create. Rename it to passenger arrive to security. Set the entity type to passenger. Change unit to minutes and enter 2 as the values. Double-click process. Rename it to check for identification and set the action to cease delay release. Later, click add. Then select the resource name transportation security officer. Set the unit to minutes with a minimum of 0.75, a value of 1.5, and a maximum of 3. Double-click design, rename it to pass security and set the percentage to 93%. Later, rename the two deposit modular to clear and deny. Click data definition on the project bar, select resource, then set busy and ideal cells to 12. Open run, select setup, then click project parameters, rename the title to airport security analyze and select costing, resource, quiz, entities, and process. Click replication parameters, set replication length to 20, select days from the drop-down, and change hour per day to 24. Last, click the run and start the simulation. After the simulation ends, an Excel file will appear and display the result. Later, I will do the Animate Security Officer resource. First, click resource on the Animate toolbar, select Transportation Security Officer, then click Open, browse the People PLB and double-click it. Click Elder in the left table, select the down person image from the right table, then click Transfer. And do the same thing with the Busy button. Then, put the Transportation Security Officer under the process. Next, click Plot on the Animate toolbar, then add to create a data series. Later, type check for identification WIP in the expression. In the access tab, set left value axis of major increment to 2 and set horizontal time axis of maximum to 480 and major increment to 24. Last, click OK to close the plot dialog box, then draw the plot in the model window. At the end, run the simulation to get the result.